Hi, let's see what you can do with the Cashback app. First of all, you want to find out where the merchant partners are, where you can use your cashback card. You can do that in many ways. One of the possibilities is to just scroll left and right to search for shops in your immediate vicinity. You can scroll up and down to see other shops to get information about some extra promotions and special deals. But if you return to the top, you see here on the right hand side where the location icon is that there is more than 500 shops in my neighborhood. So if I press that button, I will get to the list of these shops and I get the basic information about them. I can see how much cashback and shopping points I get when I shop, and in the bottom right corner I can see the distance, and if I press on that tile I get additional information about the merchant, and down there I can actually launch my navigation application that will guide me to that shop. I can get back to my home page by pressing the home icon at the bottom left corner. When I return back, I can see that in the middle I have a shopping trolley icon, and this will take me to the list of online merchants with which we cooperate. And again, we can search through them. And for example, if I want to purchase something on Isango, I click on the icon of Isango and I get a button, Shop Online Now. I click on that one and read the information, confirm it, and now the Isango's web page will open and I can do my purchase as I want. Again, I can return to my home page by pressing the home button bottom left. The third type of merchants are the merchants with which we cooperate via e-vouchers. Here I can click on the e-voucher icon and I get a list of various shops in various countries with whom we cooperate with e-vouchers, but I will return to the e-vouchers later on in a separate video. So let's go back to the main page of my Cashback app. The final option to search for shops is at the bottom next to the home page. You have the search button. If I press this one, I will get to the more detailed search options, such as searching for a particular keyword or name. So for example, if I'm looking for booking companies, I can click on that and get all the booking companies here, or I can search by different categories. For example, I have the option to search by district, which means that I can set a different radius, or I can search by location, where I can select country, I can select type of cashback, I can select different categories or types of shopping, or search by some extra information. And once I select all the filters that I want, I click on the search button and this will show me the full list of all the partners corresponding to the filtering options that I selected. Once I find the shop and I am in the shop, I want to identify myself as a cashback member. To this end, I press on the CB button at the bottom and I get three options, and here on the right hand side you see cashback card. So I can click on the cashback card icon and my cashback card is displayed. Another option to display my cashback card is just by shaking well my telephone and my card will appear. So I can display this in QR code or barcode as I want and show it at the cash point when I pay with cash or credit card. At the same point, under Cashback button, I can also see my favorite shops, which I marked to be my favorite shops in the past. The last feature I find under Cashback button is a list of my e-vouchers, where I can see my e-vouchers that I purchased in the past and I can use for shopping with the partners. Next to the Cashback button, there is a man icon. If I can click on that icon, I get to information relevant for myself, so I can see how much cashback I have, many shopping points I've earned in the past. I have my e-vouchers, and at the bottom, this is one of the most important features of Cashback app. You can invite your friends to register by simply entering their email, or you can click on the recommend button to actually display your personal link, which you can share or you can copy to any application, send to your friends, and they can register to become cashback members the same as you did. And finally, at the bottom right, you have this icon with 3 dots. If you press on it, you will get to the legal information, general information about the application, but also here on the Shopon community website, you get the link which will transfer you to your online web office, which you received when you registered as a cashback member. So, this completes our tour of Cashback app. I hope you enjoyed it and feel free to share it with your friends.